everybody, and welcome to our Binder Check Chat video. I am going to be doing this first Binder Check Chat based on September 29th, 2021, and I'm going to walk you through each one of these sections so that you guys know exactly what to fill out every time you have to do Binder Check Chats on Wednesdays. Okay, so the very first part of this Binder Check Chat has to do with the agenda score. This is the first section of your scoring page that you will receive on your agenda. Usually this one, I believe, is out of 6. Let me double check that for you guys. So yes, it should be out of 6. So you guys can always make this out of 6 if you would like. This is consistent of your parents' signatures. Did you get a point for that? Do you have your weekly goals? What are you getting for grade checks? Are you checking your grades? Whatever that is, you're going to base it out of that. Maybe you got a 4 out of 6, okay? So maybe you need to work on your agenda's organization a little bit more. And then right here, I want you to type, what is the importance of creating a space for everything in your agenda? How did you do this week? You can say, it is important to create space in my agenda in order to have success during the week. This week, I could have done better. At organizing my agenda and having all of my parent signatures. Whatever it is. What goal can your agenda help you accomplish this week or next? Okay? Some goals that my agenda can help me accomplish are, and then this is where you would list just what are some of those goals. So maybe they are going to be to make sure you have all your homework so you don't get any more homework cards. They're going to remind you of important projects and dates. Maybe your agenda is where you can keep track of, maybe you do have missing assignments. How can you catch up with some of those missing assignments, okay? So that's where that goal setting comes in. Organization score, same thing. It's out of 6. What is the importance of organizing your backpack binder? Kind of like the agenda. It's important to create that space because, and then how did you do? In what physical ways can you set yourself up for success this week or next week? So what are some other ways that you can set yourself up for success in your physical space, so in your backpacks? Maybe it's not having hot Cheetos at the bottom of your backpacks, chicos. Your overall score is that out of 12, so maybe you got minus those 2, you got a 10 out of 12, you got it perfect, 6 out of 6 for this section. Overall, how did you do? Okay, what supplies or resources can you utilize to help you achieve or maintain a perfect score? So those of you that got perfect score, awesome. What can you keep doing to do that awesome thing? For those of you that got under 12, what could we utilize? So maybe we could go to tutoring to help us stay on top of missing assignments. Maybe we could write in our agendas a little bit more, okay? And then what are some overall goals you have for this month, okay? Do you want to succeed? Do you want to have A's at the end of this month? What do you want to do at the end of 6 weeks, okay? All right, chicos, so this is just how you fill it out. I just wanted you guys to see a basic level. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before and after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, this is how you complete your Binder Check Chats.